Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see someone's followers list on Instagram, you're in the right place. Whether you're curious about who's following your favorite influencer, keeping up with friends, or just exploring new connections, it's actually very simple. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to check anyone's followers list on Instagram. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. This process works on both iPhones and Android devices, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app by tapping the icon on your home screen. Once the app loads, you'll see your feed with posts from accounts you follow. Now, to see someone's followers, you need to visit their profile. To do this, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little magnifying glass. In the search bar at the top, type the username of the account you want to check. As you type, Instagram will suggest accounts that match your search. When you see the right profile, tap on it to open their page. Now that you're on their profile, look for the section near the top that shows the number of posts, followers, and following. Tap on the word followers. This will open a list of all the people who follow that account. You can scroll through this list to see everyone who follows them. If you're looking for a specific person, use the search bar at the top of the followers list to type in their name or username. This makes it easy to find someone quickly, especially if the account has a lot of followers. Keep in mind, if the account is private and you're not following them, you won't be able to see their followers list. You'll need to send a follow request and wait for them to accept before you can access that information. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to see someone's followers list on Instagram with just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching.